let me show you how to remove the battery in BOYA by BY-M1. And these were the contents what I had, and this one there's no need, so I'm just sitting in the just open it, guys. And this was the battery. How to remove, you don't know exactly here. So what I had is, take a watch and take this pin, and how you gonna do is just pin this side, then do this. Yeah, this is how you can remove, guys. And if you want to buy this one, this is L.44 plus L.44 cells, guys. You can buy in Amazon. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Until then, bye bye.